So I'm going to try one of these for you and then see if you can figure out the other one. So we have two triangles here. The formula for a triangle, again, is base times height divided by 2. You're dividing it by 2 because this is derived from the area formula of a rectangle. Since a triangle is half of a rectangle, you basically do the same formula, but you cut it in half. So the base and height have to make a 90-degree angle. They don't even have a number here, but if they did, you would be ignoring it because it would be there to throw you off. The base and the height have to form a 90-degree angle. So that's going to be the 11 and the 4. So you're going to do 11 times 4, which is 44, and then cut that answer in half. So 44 divided by 2, which equals 22. The label is going to have feet with a little 2 above it. You always put a 2 over the label for area because you're multiplying 2 dimensions. When you multiply 2 dimensions, you put a 2 over the answer. Okay? So I'm going to have you guys pause and try this one here. So base times height and then cut your answer in half. So try that one. Okay, here's another one. See if you could try this. They're drawing in the height for you so that you don't have to, so because you remember it has to make a 90-degree angle. So it's basically they're drawing a line from here to here, but they just did it on the lower. So base times height divided by 2. So pause and try that one. Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out. So this is just kind of applying the skill. So it says the base and height of the red butterfly wing are 2 times greater than the base and height of the blue butterfly wing. How many times greater is the area of the red wing than the area of the blue wing? Basically, they're telling you to double the height and to double the base. So if you look at the blue wing, the height is a 1. So if I double it, it's going to make it a 2. The base is a 2. If I double that, it's going to make it a 4. Now I need to find the area of the blue wing and the area of the red wing. So again, I'm just going to put a B for blue wing. The formula is base times height divided by 2. So in this case, 2 times 1 divided by 2. Oop. So that's going to be 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. Okay, now I'm going to do the red butterfly wing. So base times height, in this case now it's 2 times 4 divided by 2, base times height divided by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So the question says how many times greater is the area of the red wing and the area of the blue wing? So you would do 4 divided by 1, which is just 4. So that means it's 4 times greater. So that means if you double the dimensions, you actually quadruple the area. So that's kind of interesting. So let me see if I can give you guys one of these to try. I'm going to have you try this one. So you're going to have to draw a picture. So I'll help you out with the picture. It's a triangle, has a base of 2 inches and a height of 3. So I would draw a triangle. Base is 2, height is 3. Remember, they have to make the 90-degree angle. Then it says the base and height of a second triangle are 4 times greater. So multiply 2 by 4, write that dimension. Multiply 3 by 4, write that dimension. And it says how many times greater is the area of the second triangle than the first. So once you figure out what these two dimensions are, by multiplying these 2 by 4 to get these new dimensions, you're going to find the area of each triangle by doing base times height divided by 2. So base times height divided by 2, these dimensions, base times height divided by 2, and then divide those two answers together. That one's kind of a multi-step, but see if you can figure that one out.